Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adame again here with you on Simple Short Steps. So today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing detox water recipe that you are going to love. You could either have it warm or cold depending on how you actually like it. I made it up with these 4 ingredients, so you might be surprised to see the ingredients I'm going to use, but they are all amazing to be used in your detox water, your food, or whatever you feel like. Winter is around the corner and a lot of people are looking for something warm to have. Make it as warm as I'm going to show you right now. If you prefer it a little bit sweeter, you could add honey, maple syrup, stevia, or any other sweetener of your choice. If you have already watched some of my videos, you already know that I like to use lemon in a lot of things. I use lemon in smoothies. I use them also in different teas, so this is not going to be an exception. We're going to use lemon, we're going to use cinnamon sticks, we're going to use frozen berries. I'm using the frozen one because that's what I have. Also going to use frozen pineapples because you know pineapples are very good for detox also, and they also aid in weight loss. This particular detox drink is not for weight loss or anything, but you know it can sure help you achieve weight loss if that is what you want. This is something that could help you increase your water intake, especially during this time where people do not like to drink a lot of water. So this is going to help you, especially if it's warm. Lemon, as we all know, is full of vitamin C, and the back of the lemon has even more vitamin C than the juice. So when you're making your teas, do not just add the juice, also make sure that you have some of the rind or the back of the lemon in your teas or your smoothies. Cinnamon sticks and berries are filled with antioxidants, and also pineapples. That's why I have chosen to use this too. And the aroma that comes from the cinnamon sticks, oh my god, that's not something you want to miss. Without so much ranting, let's dive right in.
So I'm just going to start out by throwing in my cinnamon into my cup and then going ahead to slice my lemon into very thin slices. I like to slice them into thin slices because I feel they are easily infused into the tea or into your detox water, or even easy to blend for the smoothies. So the lemons are ready and I'm just going to throw them, of course, into the cup and then go ahead to slice my pineapple chunks. I'm just going to slice them also into thin slices so that, of course, they are easily infused. So here are my frozen berries. I'm just going to go ahead to throw them into the cup, and as you can see, I have everything in there. The pineapples are there and then the berries. Then I'm going to check on my water. It's already boiling at 100 degrees centigrade, as you can see right there. So we are not boiling the fruits and everything, we are just pouring hot water in it, and then we're going to let it steep for about 5 to 8 minutes, like you would normally leave your tea to steep. The color is already coming out very beautiful, and the aroma here, oh my god, you need to be here to be able to like feel it. It's so nice. Don't worry about the cinnamon sticks, they are going to get soft in 8 minutes and then bring out all the goodness in cinnamon. So for more color, I'm going to use my glass reusable straw to press out the color from the berries. You can see it's already turning out very beautiful, and you can press as much as you want out, or you could even press all of them. Just look at that, the color is so beautiful, so beautiful, and it smells absolutely heavenly. I'm telling you guys, you need to be here. Honestly, you need to be here. So you can see how beautiful it is. It is filled with antioxidant, it is filled with all the goodness of nature. This detox water or tea can help you increase metabolism. It can help increase your immunity and help fight several conditions while increasing your water intake. With consistent use also, it can help you lose weight. I would really like you to try this out and let me know what you think later in my comment section, okay? Also make sure you leave your comments down below. Tell me how beautiful the color is. Yes, because I know it's beautiful.
So guys, if you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it for you, feel free to subscribe, like, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.